Hello guys, my name is Matthew and I'm about to show you how you can preview the Shopify store theme. It's pretty easy, and for this particular task we have to log in inside our Shopify as an admin. So once we do that, we want to focus on online store, and then we have a themes here. At the moment I'm using the craft one, and we can customize it, which is the green button where you can just check around all the things that you already managed to succeed. And then on these three dots we have option of preview, and in here we don't have much yet. So far we have just three options. One is a normal one is sold out, and the second one is in sale, and that's pretty nice. So really you can see how you can affect the changes in your themes in your website straight away. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.